this video, I'm going to show you how to make around $200 per day with affiliate marketing using this secret hack. You can see right here, I was able to make around $200 per day using this exact same method. And as you can see, it's not every day, okay? But if you're going to take into account all the money that you're going to make in one single week, this can range anywhere between $100 to $200 per day just for setting this up. Now, this method is not going to be working so efficiently without a secret hack, a secret sauce that I'm going to give you towards the end of this video. So make sure to watch from beginning to the end, follow exactly what I'm going to show you, and if you're going to use this secret hack, you can get these results too. So just make sure to smash the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, hit the notification bell so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, I can notify you immediately. Okay, so the first thing you need to make money with affiliate marketing is obviously an affiliate offer that you can promote and make money with. For that, I highly recommend that you go to ClickBank. Just hit search on that and go to clickbank.com. Obviously, you can do this exact same method with another affiliate marketplace, for example, like DigiStore24 or Warrior Plus or any other affiliate marketplace that you may want to use. But I was using ClickBank for this method before, and I'm going to show you how to replicate these same results the way I did. So just go to ClickBank, and if you're new here, you may want to sign up for your free account. And to do that, I don't recommend that you click on start here if you are brand new to ClickBank. You will have to fill in a small survey that's completely unnecessary if you want to sign up. So to skip this survey, simply just click on login right here, and down here you can see this, you can create an account here, but click on that, sign up for your free account, and once you've done that, just log right into it. Then what you want to do is go up here and go to the affiliate marketplace, and right here, to follow exactly what I was doing, you want to go to the self-help niche. Obviously you can do this for any of these niches out there, but one of the best converting niche to go with this offer is in self-help section. So just go there, and right here on the left side, go to the dating guides. We are going to be promoting dating offers in today's video, and what you want to actually do is search by gravity high to low, so that way you can pick the highest converting affiliate offer in the dating niche on ClickBank. And right here at the top, you can see this devotion system, make men obsessed over you. This is pretty much a offer designed for women's dating advice, and from the experience and from the traffic source we are going to be using, this could work very well. So if you want to go for it, just use this offer. But the exact offer I used to get the results that I just showed you is this one right here. It's called the obsession method, huge new men's dating offer. As you can see, the gravity score in this is not that different. This one has 32, this one has 31.14, and pretty much the payout is slightly higher on this obsession method right here, and it's designed for men. So pretty much to start promoting this offer, what you want to do is click on promote right here, and right here you need to fill in your ClickBank nickname. If you don't know where to get your ClickBank nickname, or you have forgotten it for some reason, what you want to do is go back to the toolbar and click on the accounts, and right here you can see your ClickBank nickname. Just copy that and paste it into the field in the nickname of the affiliate offer. Then what you want to do is click on create a hop link, and you will get your affiliate link. Now obviously you need to save this somewhere, so just copy it and either leave ClickBank open or just use a notepad or something where you can save it. Make sure to type down the name of the offer that you're going to be promoting, because we are going to be needing that later, just like that. Then the next step, what you want to do is go to Google, and you want to search for Bitly. Just hit search on that and go to bit.ly.com, because we need to shorten this affiliate link to make it work for this method. What you want to do is simply click on create a new link right here, and you need to paste your affiliate link inside this destination field just like that. And what you want to do, this is important, go down here into the section where it says ways to share. You can see that you can customize the back half of this domain, and I highly advise you to do that. It's not necessary, but it's going to look a lot better if you're going to do that. So just go ahead and type in there something like dating skills 101 or something like that. As you can see right here, I was already using this back half, dating skills 101, so I can't exactly create the same domain using it the second time. But what you want to do is go ahead and make something up yourself, something that has to do with this niche that you're going to be promoting. For example, you can go for something like dating skills for beginners, beginner dating, or improve your dating game, or something like that. Pretty much whatever is going to describe the niche that you're going to be promoting. And once you do that, what you want to do is create this link, and your link is going to get created. All you need to do now is just copy it by pressing this button right here. And the next step, what you want to do is go to Google yet again, and you want to search for a link in bio app. What I highly recommend is that you go for Linktree, but you can use any link in bio app, for example like Beacons or Taplink or something like that. But if you use Linktree, you just go there, and what you want to do is sign up for your account on Linktree if you don't have one already and you want to claim your Linktree name. Just go ahead and type in there something like dating skills 101 or anything that you used in the previous step to create your back half of your domain on Bitly to keep this a little organized. Then just click on claim your Linktree, and then all you need to do is just simply click on add link right here, and you need to add the link to this link Linktree. So pretty much what you want to do is copy the bit.ly link and paste it in there. And the reason why we had to shorten this is because Linktree doesn't allow affiliate links for some reason from ClickBank. So the way to bypass this is use shortened link. Then just simply click on add, and as you can see, your link is going to get added. Now pretty much I don't want two links on my Linktree app, so I'm just going to delete this one. You can see right here, this is the previous one that I was using, so I'm just going to delete it and keep just this one in there for the sake of this video. Once you do that, pretty much just go to the share button right here at the top, click on share, and you need to copy the link to this Linktree. Just go ahead and save it into Notepad or just keep the Linktree app open, then you can grab it later, because for the next step we are going to go to canva.com, and what you want to do is go to this search bar and you want to search for Pinterest pin. Just hit search on that and then just pretty much click on create a blank Pinterest pin, because we are going to design one completely from scratch in just a couple of seconds. Now what you want to actually do is go down here and in this section click on add page until you get 5 of these templates, of these blank Canva templates. Then just select the first one and just go to elements, and here you want to search for couple. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is find some of these images that you can see right here on Canva Photos. Obviously you will be limited if you use free version of Canva. If you use paid version of Canva Pro, you can choose from many more of these images that are right here, but for the free method you can just go ahead and choose some of these that you got right here, or you can go to site like Pexels and just simply into the search bar you want to type the exact same thing. Just like that, hit search, and you can choose from thousands, literally 62,000 thousand photos of couples on Pexels you can grab completely for free in just a couple of seconds, and you can use them with this method as well. So either if you decide to go with images from Pexels or you go with these Canva stock ones, it really doesn't matter because they are going to be serving as a background. So just go ahead and upload the ones you got from Pexels to Canva, or you can just simply drag these from the element section into the canvas. What you want to actually do is place a different image for each of these frames. So for example, this is going to be the first one, then just go to second one, I'm going to use this image right here, something like this. Then just go to the third one, I'm going to use this image. This one for the fourth, I'm just going to stretch it all across this canvas because it's very important, it's going to cover this entire section. And for the last one, I'm going to use this one. You can see if the image doesn't fit, you can just simply scale it up and focus on the section you want to display. For example, this is not looking very well, so I'm just going to scale it down a little bit and place it something like this. Then I got a space at the top, so just extend it a little bit, just like that. Then just go back to the first one, and what you want to do is go back to elements. You want to select this square right here, place it on the canvas and stretch it over this couple just like that, but make sure it's not going to cover the entire photo, so it's going to look like a nice little frame right in the middle of the image. Then just change its color to, let's say, black, just like that. And the important part now is you need to select this checkered button right here, and you need to lower the transparency of the image to something like this. So it's going to focus the attention, whoever's going to see this image, into the center field. Then just simply right click and copy, and for each of these frames paste it in there, pressing Ctrl V or Command V, whatever platform you may be using. So just paste them in there just like that. Then just again go to the first one, and what you need to do now is place a subheading into this square that you have just created, because now we are going to add value to these images. So whoever is going to be seeing them is going to receive value first, and then they are going to see call to action in the last one, and because they have received so much value first, they will be that much more likely to make a purchase. Now actually, to create lots of value very quickly regarding the dating niche, one of the easiest ways is simply go to this website right here that you may already know from some of my other videos, or pretty much from any AI video out there, because ChatGPT is like the go-to website if you want to create a simple text very easily just by writing a command down here into this prompt. So I'm just going to type in there, hello, please write me 4 dating advice tips for men. Just hit enter, let ChatGPT do its thing, and it's going to generate this text that you can use in just a couple of seconds. Now this is looking pretty good. What I'm going to do is go back to the command prompt and write in there, organize these tips into a table with headline and advice on the right. So it's going to generate this neat little table for me that I can use. Now obviously ChatGPT didn't quite catch what I was trying to do here, so I'm just going to try one more time, go to the command prompt and write in there, organize these 4 tips into a spreadsheet table for me, and it's going to generate this neat little table that I can use to very easily copy and paste this into the Canva template, just like that. So what I'm going to do is just copy one of these headlines right here and paste it into the text box on Canva. Now pretty much what I want to do is customize this, so I'm just going to change the color of this text, let's say to red. It's going to stand out a little bit better, position it at the top, and also resize it so it's going to fit into this dark square we have created. Now it's going to look something like this, but I want it to stand out a little bit more, so I'm just going to select this text and click on the effects tab, and right here you can choose from many different effects that you can apply to this text, so it's going to look a little bit nicer. So for example, let's go with this echo right here, and I'm going to change its color to, let's say, white, just like that. And then you can play with these sliders to adjust it to make it look whatever you want it to look like. So for example, just like this is what I'm going with. Then if you want, you can change the direction of it as well, but this is not looking very good, so I'm just going to make it just as it was at the beginning, something like this. Okay, then add another text box right below this one. And this time what you want to do is go back to ChatGPT and copy the corresponding advice. Paste it into Canva, and also you need to stretch it and customize it so it's going to fit inside this inside this square. And what I'm going to do is also change the color of this text to white, just like that. Then also what I'm going to do is change the font of this text, because now I'm not a huge fan of this Canva Sans font. So I'm just going to use Montserrat Bold, and then just increase the size of the text so it's going to be a little bit more easier to read. Then just readjust the text to make it fit inside the box, just like this. And this is pretty much all you need to do for the first slide. Now to make this process very easy for the next couple of slides, what I highly recommend is that you copy these text boxes and simply just paste them into each of these frames, just like this, because then you can customize them a little bit easier. Do the same thing for this bottom text just as well. Copy, paste, 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 and then just go back to ChatGPT and copy yet another advice. For example, this is the first one that I used. Then I'm going with this one, copy, go back to Canva, select the second slide and paste it in there, just like that. Back to ChatGPT, copy the corresponding tip, back to Canva, paste it in there. And also if it's going to overflow, you can drag or resize this text so it's going to fit in there very nicely. Once you do that for all 4 of these tips that have been generated by ChatGPT for you, go to this last one, and what you want to actually do is put a call to action. Now what you want to do is make it look as much as possible as the remaining of this text. So just go ahead and type in there something like learn from the pros, so it's going to seem like a call to action but not a sales pitch. So pretty much I'm going to just rewrite this text into something like, dating is a skill like any other, you need to constantly improve it if you want to succeed. Then I'm just going to copy this text box and paste it in there once again, drag it below it, and there I'm going to write, check out the link inside this pin to learn the best ways to improve your dating skills. Pretty much this is all you need to do on Canva. Just create a simple value-packed carousel just like this. Use ChatGPT to generate these tips for you in just a couple of seconds, and then just copy and paste them to this template, and then put your call to action right here at the end. Then what you want to do is click on share right here, and you need to download this to your computer as a PNG, but make sure you're going to download all 5 of these images. You don't want to download just a single one, so just go ahead and select all 5 pages and then click on download. Then just simply hop to Pinterest.com, sign up for your account if you don't have one already, click on create a pin, and what you want to do is upload all the images that you have downloaded from Canva into this post. Just select all 5 of these images, paste it in there, and you get to choose if you want to create a carousel or collage just like this. Now for this method you want to go with this carousel so people can actually swipe to right and see other images. So just select that, click on create a pin, and then in this field what you want to write is something like dating skills 101 or something that has to do with the niche, preferably the thing that you used on Bitly as the back half of your link. Then in this description what you want to write is something like, do you feel like your dating game is missing something? There is a way to fix it. So this is like a non-intrusive way to imply that if somebody wants to improve their dating skills, they can just simply do that by checking the link that we are going to paste into this destination link. What you want to do is simply just copy the link to the link tree that you have created and paste it in there. Then just simply post this to Pinterest, publish it, and it's going to look something like that. Couple of images packed with value concerning dating advice and dating tips, with this small call to action in the end, and a post that's embedded with the link tree that you have created. Now once somebody is going to click on this link tree, they will be taken to this bridge page, then they're going to click on it, be taken to the sales page, and once they're going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid. Now actually what you need to do is get the highest amount of clicks and views to this pin, and to do that you can just pretty much keep posting regularly, or you can use the secret sauce of this method to boost your chances right from the beginning. So what you want to do is hop on Google, and what you want to search for is this website right here that's called SEO Clerks. Hit search on that, go to SEOclerks.com, and this is like a search optimization service. And if you're going to go to the search bar and type in there Pinterest pins, you can see right here at the tab you can get 12,000 plus Pinterest web pin social signals. So pretty much this is going to bring a lot of traffic to your Pinterest pins for as little as $1 single. So if you're going to spend just $1 for this optimization service for your pin, and if you're going to make just one single sale out of all that traffic, you will get your money back and then some. Then what you want to do is pretty much just create a bunch of these pins. Once you make the first sale with it, reinvest it into creating more pins and then just simply boosting them using this SEO clerk service, and that way you will get tons of targeted traffic to your affiliate link, because if somebody's going to look for dating advice on Pinterest, they will be provided with all this free value in form of these tips created by ChatGPT, and then once they're going to see they can improve their dating skills by pressing the link that's embedded into this pin, they will be taken to the sales page that's going to take care of them for you, and every time somebody's going to make a purchase of this program, you will make money. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just make sure to smash the like button if you haven't already, and if you want to see some more money making content, try checking out this video right here or this one right here. Decide which one works for you the best, click on it, and I'm going to see you there.